In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use roleplay prompting in Google Gemini. Roleplay prompting is a simple way to steer Gemini's reasoning by telling it who it should be for a task, what it's trying to achieve, and how the answer should look. By the end, you'll be able to craft prompts that are clearer, more targeted, and much easier to evaluate. Start by assigning a clear role. Open your prompt with a direct identity statement so Gemini adopts the right perspective. For example, say, "You are a senior software engineer," or "You are an experienced product manager," or "You are a strict legal compliance auditor." Specific roles reduce ambiguity and push the model to draw on the most relevant patterns. Aim for precision. Expert is better than assistant, and naming the domain or seniority level provides even tighter guidance. Next, define responsibilities or goals. Tell Gemini what this role is accountable for so it can prioritize correctly. For instance, your job is to review code for security issues and performance risks. That one sentence sets the yardstick for decisions. You can mention preferred criteria such as focusing on scalability, alignment with policy, or user impact to further sharpen the objective. Then set boundaries and constraints. Clarify what the role should not do. You might say no personal opinions, no beginner explanations, and no assumptions outside the role. This cuts down on fluff and keeps the response in scope. If you need a strict tone, specify it. If accuracy matters above creativity, say so. Negative prompting like "do not speculate" or "do not include marketing language" can be especially effective here. After that, specify the output format. Tell Gemini exactly how to present the answer so it's immediately usable. You can request bullet points, a checklist, a table, or step-by-step instructions. You can also set length targets, headings, or sections such as summary, analysis, recommendations. Format instructions reduce back and forth and make comparison across iterations easier. Finally, provide the task or input. Give Gemini the content to act on, such as the code snippet, product brief, policy text, or user message. Include just enough context to avoid ambiguity. Paste the relevant material directly, and mention any constraints like deadlines, audience, or platform. Here's how it all comes together in one prompt. You are a senior software engineer. Your job is to review this Python function for security issues and performance risks. Do not include personal opinions or beginner explanations, and do not assume requirements not stated. Respond as a checklist with concise items and brief justifications. Analyze the following code. Paste code here. Use this 5-part structure each time and you'll see Gemini deliver focused, dependable results.